Good day, fellow cadets, and to my fellow future seafarers. This is Cadet Julia Eric Jasonel from Southwestern College of Maritime Business and Technology. So, for today's video, we will be conducting a video or an act of a ship-to-shore communication, which is my buddy will join me here to conduct this video. So, without further ado, let's get to it.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, Batangas Vessel Traffic Service. This is Motor Vessel Precision, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Services. Go ahead, over.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision, call sign 3, Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, requesting permission to enter Batangas Port Terminal. Our ETA is 0800 100 hours local time on 30 October 2023, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Services. Please switch to channel 12 for further communication. Over.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision, switching to channel 12, out. Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision on channel 12, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Services. Go ahead, over.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision, call sign 3, Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Our current drop is 12.3 meters. We have 3-4 persons on board. Our gross tonnage is 23,210 metric tons. We are carrying iron ore with 12,304 metric tons on board. Additionally, we have dangerous cargo on board, 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3, requesting permission to proceed to Batangas Port Terminal, over.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Services. Copy. Your drop 12.3 meters, 3-4 persons on board, gross tonnage 23,210 metric tons, carrying 12,304 metric tons of iron ore and dangerous cargo 2.5 liters IMDG Class 3. Standby while we confirm port conditions. Over. MV Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Services. You are cleared to proceed to Batangas Port Terminal. Maintain listening watch on channel 12. Contact Batangas Pilot Station on channel 14 for pilot boarding instructions. Report any changes in ETA or conditions. Over.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Copy. Cleared to proceed to Batangas Port Terminal. Will maintain watch on channel 12 and contact pilot station on channel 14. Will report any changes. Thank you. Over.
MV Precision, this is Batangas Vessel Traffic Services. Safe passage. Batangas Vessel Traffic Services, out.
Batangas Vessel Traffic Service, this is Motor Vessel Precision, out.
So that is it for our video. I hope you learned something. Always keep on dreaming big. Bye.